Hello, everybody. I'm Vipin Kumar. I am the Global CIO for Uflex Limited. Now, I think in 2021 was a great year from the perspective of IT. Continuing from what we saw in 2020, a lot of demand came to IT for enabling businesses which continue to work from home. And we did a lot of process re-engineering. That was one of the highest priorities because a part of the manpower went home and part in batches only came to office. So a lot of process re-engineering occurred. Then a lot of workflow applications occurred. And one important aspect which came to mind was that the manpower which has gone home, is that manpower is really working, and how productive is that manpower? That was something the management was concerned about. And they also threw us a spanner in the rings. They said that if people generally in Delhi, they really claim that it takes hours reaching your office, and it's very tiring and all. Today, if manpower is operating out of home, can we increase their productivity to, let us say, 120% of what they were productive in office? So we also deployed a lot of employee measuring tools, what productivity is coming while working from home. And we noticed that the manpower productivity actually increased. And plus, we also saw that, how do we actually help businesses in discharging their normal operations? For example, like we were manufacturing, and because of all this COVID and other things, people were not able to travel. So we enabled a lot of shop floor technologies to enable that all the inspection of our products could happen remotely by our customers. Plus, we also enhanced the features of our products by introducing your IoT, so that we get a pre-intimation of any failures of product, and we are in a position to give better service to the customer. So a lot of things around this happened. I think the last year and this year has done is it has looked not only enabler, but really they are now leveraging IT for business benefit. And this has helped IT to introduce a lot of technology. And if I talk about myself, we are seriously looking at using AI and ML-based predictive analytics for business benefit. How can we use these technologies and predict so many things for business? Supply chain optimization is another area. Third, I feel is that in our kind of business, management of finished good inventory is very, very important. And how do we fill up the customer demand right in the first time itself? So we are evaluating a lot of technologies of warehouse management, inventory management, and how do we do the first time right fulfillment of customer orders? And of course, the customer 360 degree, starting with the CRM and all. And plus we also propose to do a lot of automation on the shop floor. So the IT/OT integration is what we are looking at very, very aggressively. So these are some of the technologies which we propose to do in 2022. Well, I think it's extremely positive because this COVID has changed the consumer behavior. If you look at the consumption patterns today, it has totally changed. And because of that, if people are going to buy things, maybe store them for bad times, that all helps flexible packaging. And flexible packaging is now increasing not only into food products, but into other areas also. And as we move forward, we will see there is still a lot of room for further expansion. And slowly and steadily, even from an industry perspective, if I talk about India, we are now increasing our footprint globally and already present into multiple geographies. We are today operating out of all continents. And another good point about our expansion is that, there have been talk that, flexible packaging, is it eco-friendly? So what we are also doing in this area is that we are collecting all these flexible packaging packets and then recycling them, so to make them eco-friendly. So I think going forward, the flexible packaging industry is going to boom. That's what I believe.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.